grasses grow. Tiny ducklings peep all in a row, fluffy and yellow with wobbly feet. They tumble and tumble, oh so sweet. The pond looks big, the water is wide. One little duck hides behind and hides. Mama quacks softly, it's okay to try. Just take a step and soon you'll fly. One brave duckling takes a leap, a happy splash, not very deep. The others giggle and follow behind, little feet paddling, one of a kind. Down below, what do they see? Bubbles, fish, and a dancing bee. Ducklings twirl in a bubbly stream, laughing loud in their water dream. Now they glide with heads held high, splashing joyfully beneath the sky. Mama quacks proudly, look at you, brave little swimmers, through and through. The sun dips low, it's time to rest, snuggled again in that cozy nest. But dreams will take them back so soon, to paddling under the silver moon.